One of the things I've heard, Dr. Tufton, and it's funny, I've heard this from 3 members of the diaspora, 3 different parts of North America, 2 in the US, 1 in Canada, was that they felt that the campaign, of course, we vote prime ministerial in this country, but they felt that there needed to be somebody else doing some of the heavy lifting that Holness certainly has taken on in the past several weeks. In your role as National Campaign Director, are you going to share that burden now? That's if, of course, you agree with the views of those 3 diasporans.
Well, the party leader, it is customary, provides the overarching guidance and leadership, and the Prime Minister and party leader has been doing a good job at carrying that burden which the leader has to carry. But he works with a team. Has always said that. And that team shoulders different aspects of what needs to be done. As you get to an election, then that burden increases both on him because there's a lot of expectation, and of course on the rest of us. My role is to help with the coordination and the strategic thinking around how we proceed to articulate and enhance what we represent to people, and hopefully to get them to respond in a positive way. So the long short of it is that it is a team approach, but we certainly don't intend to water down or attempt to water down his role, because his role is very, very important. But we are hoping to project that we work as a team. It's not a one-man show.